Are you tired of getting glue all over your clothes just because you're trying to do a simple glue up? Or are you tired of getting sawdust and all kinds of grime and dust all over your clothes just because you're in a wood shop? Well, I got a solution for you, so stay tuned. Today we're going to be reviewing OLPR's Shop Apron. It's a non-wax canvas, which is not too thick, not too thin. I say it's about just right for the wood shop. It has some nice leather straps that are brass riveted, so it's not going to go anywhere. And it's pretty nice. It's got a nice leather pouch, which they laser engrave your initials or your logo. You have to, I believe it's an additional charge to have your logo put on, but they offer you to have your initials for free. It has a leather strap going across here with two openings. I guess you could put your hammers either on the right side or on the left side. And it has two pouches in the front, and also has two side pockets for each hand. It's nice and long, and I think it'll work just fine for me in the shop. So stay safe, happy woodworking, and I'll see y'all later.